Welcome to Carter Table Greatest Hits. Today we're going to feature a recipe from John and Philip of Sardine. The chicken breasts from Metcalfe's are split breasts, which means they're still on a piece of the rib. So I need to take them off of that. The Square Wine Company has kindly provided us with some beautiful wine for today. This is the Tiborin Clos Cibon. Tiborin is the varietal. I've not tried it. I'm really looking forward to it though. A Mediterranean wine for a very Mediterranean-esque meal. We want to salt the skin on this chicken ahead of time. Give it a little time to draw the water out. That's going to allow it to crisp up really nicely and allow the flavors that we add to it to permeate. So we'll let that sit while we prepare some other elements here.
I do this because it makes it go to one side. It needs to just pop out really easy that way then.
I'm inserting the knife into the plum and slamming down on it. Perfect. They had sliced onion, so we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. John and Philip cooked the plums and the onions. I didn't see if they added anything. We're going to do a little butter and a little wine. When we stuff it inside the chicken, we're going to add some chives, and they made a last-minute decision because they had forgotten to use the crema casa. They were probably all befuddled and shaken up because of the Chinese fire drill we did.
I'm losing it. I'm losing it. You go on the front.
So we're going to then add in a little bit of the crema casa and throw the whole thing in the oven. A little bit of the plum, butter, a little bit of the onions. I'll let that cook down for a moment, and then I'm going to throw in a splash of wine, a little salt and pepper, and we'll let that just simmer for a few minutes. And then we'll get these chicken breasts working in here as well. All right, and then I'm going to do just a splash of the rosé that we're drinking. Cheese is a beautiful local producer, and I really love this particular cheese, the crema casa. It's melty, it's so good. A little pocket that I can put my goodies in. A little bit of the plum. Some pieces of cheese in there. I think John and Philip would be proud of me. I like to think they already were. I'm gonna get my stuffed breast in the pan and it'll start to sear it. This whole kit and caboodle is going in the oven. The chicken was seared, stuffed with the plums that were simmered with onions and wine, and then we put in a little crema casa, some really nice creamy cheese that melted down inside of these. Thanks for watching. I want to thank Metcalfe's, I want to thank Square Wine Company, and stay tuned because next month we feature one of Madison's only world-renowned chefs. This guy's been on TV, right? And he cooks with a bag of Doritos. We're going to feature one of his recipes, so check us out next time.